What's happening, guys? So the other day we watched an awesome 3-second video, and suddenly I came across another awesome 3-second video. This one is aptly called Surprised Rat? Yeah, well, he looked pretty surprised. Come on, 200,000 views on a 3-second video? And it's just Stuart Little here, getting startled by who knows what.
Oh my god, surprise butt sex.
See, my theory is, since he's a little white mouse, he was startled by a little black mouse. Yeah, that's right, he's racist. Yeah, well, somebody's gotta point it out. What are we gonna do tonight, Brian? Same thing we do every night, Pinky. Try and avoid Mexicans. I'm just saying, that's probably what this little racist jerk is thinking. No, I'm just kidding. I don't really know why he's surprised. Great video, though. But seriously, he's racist. Alright, I'm actually not done with the animal videos. Now, like, hundreds of you guys sent this to me, so I assume it was probably on TV somewhere. God knows where you find this shit. Anyway, it's just an iguana in the bathtub. Oh, ew, what? Wait a minute, now we're all adults here, and I want to be mature when I say, he farted. An iguana busting ass in the bathtub? Now you can say you've literally seen everything on the internet. Talk about the guy holding the camera being in the right place at the right time. Oh, hey, look, the iguana's in the bathtub. Oh, Jesus, my mouth was open. Yeah, and I imagine it probably stank too, like rubber ducky all floating upside down. No, now look, these things happen. It's natural. So really, there's no reason to act childish about it, which is why I'm totally gonna show it in slow motion. Oh, come on, guys. Where would you be without me? Come on. Alright, so this last video is another prank video. Now let's check it out and then we'll talk about it.
Yeah, this guy is rigged up with a blood balloon.
Yeah, it's gonna
it's gonna explode all over.
I hope, otherwise
and,
it's
so we're just gonna toss him in
oh, they're gonna flip their shit. Here it goes.
Oh my god, he just jumped! He just jumped off the tracks, Jesus! Holy
He just jumped off the tracks. Did you see that? Oh my god! What the?
Wait, is that a f***ing camera?
What the
Fake! Yeah, I know. Fake! Yeah, obviously. Fake! I want to see the lizard fart again. Alright, calm down. Yeah, you're right. This video's gotten fake written all over it. First of all, the whole frat boy douchebag thing these guys are going for is way played up. The popped collar, the hat cocked ever so slightly to the side. I mean, come on, really? Or maybe they really do dress like that and I'm just being an asshole. 2, the acting isn't natural. I mean, they all seem like they're acting instead of naturally reacting to what's going on. Notice her surprise seems fake. Yeah, someone just died. That's not a look of surprise. This is a look of surprise.
Oh my god, surprise butt sex.
See the difference? Although he is a racist. 3, making someone think someone else died in front of them is not really a prank. It's cruel. And I doubt people are actually doing that to each other like, haha, you thought somebody died, you p***. So yeah, the video's obviously fake. In fact, if you think it's real, I know a Nigerian prince who's just waiting to get your bank account information. I'm just saying. I don't care, Ray. I just want to see the lizard fart again. Fine. Yay! Franks and beans! Yeah, but you know it'll never fart in your tub, I guess. The comment question of the day, which comes from a user named Bing, and she said,
So my comment question of the day is, if you could be reincarnated, who or what would you like to come back as?
so if you were reincarnated, what would you come back as? Leave your interesting or creative responses in the comments section below, or on Facebook or Twitter. But thanks for watching today's episode of Equals 3. I'm Ray William Johnson, and I approve this message. So tell me, guys, if you were Superman, what would you do?